Welcome back to digital class, and now we're looking at question 7 of the word problems, and this is from booklet 1 for operations of whole number. Now let's look at question 7. Davis and Yuhan had the same number of comic books at first. So Davis, Yuhan, same number of comic books. Now, if you know it's same, so what I can do is I can draw a model. I just put D, Davis, Y, Yuhan. So they have the same number, so it means that the model it will looks exactly the same. Okay, same. Now, let's look at the key points here. Davis gave away 50 books. Means that out of 50 here, I need to cut it. So here will be 50. So these have been given away. So maybe I'll just put gray color. This is given away. Okay. Now, next part, here says what? Yuhan also give away. Give away how many? 20 comic books. So, I know Yuhan give away 20. So 20 around here, I just put here 20. And this has been given away. Now, most of the students will just do until here and a bit stuck already. Okay, but you need to look at the question very carefully first. Here, before I continue, let's look at here. If here is 50, right? Can I also like kind of indicate here also 50? The whole thing here is 50. Makes sense, right? Here 50, right? So if here is 20, here will be what? Here will be 30. Now remember, the white color is what they actually have it. The gray color is what they already given away. And by doing that cutting, it does not affect our thing. Because I didn't do anything, I just cut only. But what you need to know is by cutting it, I know that this part and this part is actually the same. That makes our calculation easier later. Okay? Let's continue to look at the question. After that, Yuhan had 3 times as many comic books as Davis. Do you notice that they like to say how many times more, how many times more? Yeah, okay, and that's very, very easy when you see something like this, okay? Now, Yuhan had 3 times as many books as Davis. Means that if Davis have 1 unit, Yuhan have how many unit? 3 unit. So now, again here, if Davis had 1 unit, again, you look at here, after that, means that what is left? What is left? The pink color one. Here, 1 unit. And this would be, what he said, 3 unit. Teacher, why don't you include the black color part? Again, this is after that. Means I already give away here. I only left with this card, this part. This I already give it away, right? So I don't look at it anymore. Now, what did you notice? I told you the pink color one is actually the same. So means that if there is 1 unit, here will be 1 unit. If the whole thing is 3 unit, here is 1 unit, then what is here? 2 unit. But teacher, why 1 unit longer than 2 unit? Okay lah, sorry lah. My drawing is not nice. Okay, because I don't know how much. That's why I just simply kind of draw the idea. That's why I know that I didn't draw nicely lah. Okay, but what is important is what? Is that I know now 2 unit is equal to 30. That is the main point. Okay, so 2 unit is equal to 30. And always we'll find 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 30 divided by 2, 50. Now, let's look at the main question. We are not yet done. How many comic books did Davis and Yuhan have all together? Again, the keyword, what's the keyword? At first. Means that now, I want to calculate how many books. And that books need to include what? The black color part. Why, teacher? Give it away already, ma? Yes, but here say what? At first. So I know 1 unit is what? 1 unit is 15. And this gray color part is what? 50. So 15 plus 50 gives you what? Gives me 65. But again, they're asking for Davis and Yuhan all together. And I know Davis is 65, right? So Yuhan must be also what? 65 though. Why? Because I have the same number at first, ma. So 65, I will either plus 65 or I just put times 2. And that gives me 130. And that is the final answer. Don't forget, always you need to come down and you need to put it here, 130. Teacher, do I need to put comic books? Don't need, it's fine. Just put 130. If you want to put is fine as well. Okay? You got an idea? And I think it's not difficult. I think as you practice these few questions, you'll be more confident, and because this is actually very fun, right? Okay, that's all, and I will see you. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.